Holiday campaigns list building. So in this video I'm going to explain how to generate more leads or create customer list to promote your offers and make more sales. So in this video I will show a live demo of how this works. So let me explain how this actually looks like, how the chatbot flow looks like. So when a particular person sends you a DM on Instagram with a specific kind of keyword, we can actually trigger this particular chatbot flow, which actually asks the customer name, the email address and the phone number, and add to the holiday campaign list, which you can actually use later to promote your offers and discounts. So in terms of Black Friday or any other offers, you can actually send a broadcast message to those list promoting your offers. So let me explain how this exactly works. And also we have this Google Sheet where all the details collected through the DMs will be sent over here as well, just for your reference. So let me quickly show the demo how this works. So as you see here, the flow name is holiday campaign list building and actually starts like this. So you can trigger this particular flow using a keyword. So we have set the keyword holiday over here, and this particular flow will be triggered. Otherwise you can even use a Facebook comment automation or Instagram comment automation to trigger this kind of flow and collect customer leads data as well. So let me show the demo of how this actually works on Instagram. So let me send the keyword holiday over here, because that is the trigger keyword we set for this specific chatbot funnel. So as you see here, it says, hey there, welcome to our holiday, ready to discover exclusive deals and festive surprises. First thing first, can I know your name? So it simply asks for the name. So let me enter some names over here, and after that it actually asks for the email address. So let me enter some email address over here, gmail.com, and after that it should ask us the phone number as well. So let me enter phone number over here. Alright, I entered a phone number as well. So now it should send a confirmation message saying, thank you for providing your phone number, Robert. You are now on the VIP list. As a token of appreciation, here's the 20% off discount coupon as well, and holiday 20. And they can simply click on this button over here and go to the website and claim the discount over here. And now you actually collected this particular customer's email and phone number. You can actually use the broadcast messages to send SMS and email to these customers promoting your offers over here. And another important thing is that this particular data will be sent to this specific Google Sheet as well, as you see here, specific Google Sheet, using this particular action over here, Google Sheet action. And as you see, there's a tag added to these people who actually submitted their email and phone number and sign up for this holiday campaign list. So you can, when you send any kind of broadcast messages or follow-up messages later down the line, you can simply identify the people who actually signed up for this specific holiday campaign list building using this particular tag. So if I go to the inbox over here, you can actually find all the details about this particular contact over here. So here, Robert, it says the phone number, email, and if you check the tags over here, holiday campaign list. And later if you want to send any kind of broadcast, so now you actually collected their SMS, phone number, and also the email as well. If you send any kind of SMS broadcast, you can easily do that as well. For example, let me show. SMS, choose continue, and here you have to select a flow you want to send. So first of all, you have to create a flow or broadcast message which would you send. And here in the targeting, as we actually add a tag for these particular contacts holiday campaign list, you can simply send those broadcast messages to only the people who have that particular kind of tag. So if I choose this one, and only one person has the tag, and the message, broadcast message, SMS, will be delivered to only that one specific person. So that's how you can actually collect leads using the holiday campaigns and also promote your offers and any kind of discounts as well. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.